Hello there, and welcome to, hopefully, Planes, Trains, and Automobiles. Oh, I want to make that the title of this so bad, but we will see. If it is not the title, you will know how my trip went. But this is my little travel vlog about, my little trip home that I have planned. We'll see how it goes. Travel day today. We have a half day at work. And then our charter is arriving at 3 o'clock. So to Winnipeg. And yeah, we'll see. I'm all packed, ready to go. I'm excited. I'm excited to be going home. Yay. All right, well, you will, see how it goes. I'm hoping it all works out. There's our ride. All right, here we go. Charter time. It is so nice to fly on a charter instead of taking the regular flight because it's not reliable. But with a charter, we control the flight. It's awesome. Finally landing in Winnipeg. As you can see here, it was a bit of a bumpy ride, and we did go through some smoke for a while, which was pretty bad. But yeah, we made it, survived. That landed in Winnipeg. Well, I made it. Okay, I couldn't do it. Okay, this is funny. All right, so I've been watching way too many travel videos, and they always like set the camera up and then like walk in like. Anyways, I was gonna do that, but I can't take myself seriously. I am here though. I am at my hotel. The flight was a little bumpy. Maybe you saw that in the last video. But yeah, and then I, of course, ended up going into traffic. Booking my Uber for traffic. I tipped him really good though because we were stuck there. I got like a notification being like, your car hasn't moved. Are you okay? And you could like call for help. I was like, oh my. But the Fort Garry, I'm staying, and this is so nice. Oh my word. And I like got there, it's like valet opened the door, took my luggage, I didn't have to carry anything, and he brought it up to my room for me. What? I feel like I need to be dressing nicely here. Everyone's looking very posh. Me and my backpack. Oh my word. But I am hungry, and I feel weird ordering Uber Eats here because it's so fancy. But I want sushi so bad, so I'm gonna order some sushi. And well, I don't know why I'm feeling weird about ordering Uber Eats to a fancy hotel. So let me show you around my little room. It is small, but it's very nice. All right, here you go. Got some. It is, fun fact, the oldest hotel in Winnipeg. So there's my bed and a little chair here. And a closet that I've already opened. And yeah, look at that. Robes to wear? What? That's what it looked like. And TV. No microwave, no fridge. So that's interesting, different. But you got a little coffee machine there for water. Window. Not much of a view, but you get Winnipeg. And then the bathroom, which is really nice. Woo, so nice. Look at that rain shower head. Ooh! And you got your fancy soaps and stuff. Yeah, look at this. This is so pretty. So yeah, I am going to place my order and relax because I am tired. And I am looking forward to my little vacation. All right, well, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Oh, first time talking this morning. Yeah, second day of my trip, kind of, Friday. And I had a pretty good sleep. The bed is a little like lopsided, I feel like, but I did have a good sleep. Anyways, I did not get my sushi last night. I decided to go down and check out the restaurant that they just opened for the summer, the Terrace. Anyways, and I had a lovely dinner there and a basil lemonade. Oh my word, I definitely need to make that when I go home because it was amazing. And then I had this like steak and mushroom pizza thing. I'll put a picture in. You can see. But it was so good. Or I'm like, actually, you know what I think I might do? I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how to make this, vlog. I might just do like a food montage in the middle or something and just put all the different things that I'm eating over this little trip. I'm sitting here in my robe. I've never been in a hotel. Okay, I feel like a country bumpkin here. I am a country bumpkin, but like robes. I've never stayed in a hotel that had robes, so this is nice. Just had a lovely shower. Getting ready. I actually slept in today. I woke up at 8:30. That's sleeping in. And yeah, they have an espresso machine, so I'm just having my little coffee and then get ready. I'm gonna do some shopping today. This will be the shopping day. It's supposed to be really hot, so I don't think it'll be a day for me to be walking around outside. Tomorrow it'll be a little warmer, a little cooler. Anyways, hopefully a yarn store, so I will bring you with me and hopefully show you a little bit of that. And yeah, other than that, I have a massage booked for 4 o'clock today, so that'll be exciting. And I'm not gonna, I don't know. I feel, making videos like this, I'm fine in my little house, but to be taking videos when people are around is a little self-conscious. So I do want to show you what the hotel looks like though, so especially the foyer. And then Saturday night, I have a reservation at the restaurant here, so I will show you there because it's so cool. I'll talk about that more closer to that time. Anyways, that's all for now. I'm gonna get ready and find some place to have breakfast and do some shopping.
just need to know which one to grab. This one? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I am done my day of shopping. Oh my word, I shopped. Whew. But it was good. Got some things. This actually is new. H&M had some little sales. Cotton, everything's 100% cotton because, you know, I want my stuff to be natural as much as possible. Yeah, so you would have seen yarn. I went to Woolsey Wool on my way back from the mall, which was really nice. So what did I get? A few things. I was like, only get one, but then, well, anyways, this caught my eye. Evolution Silk Sock. It's so soft. And of course, these colors are very much my colors. So yeah, it's 50% cotton, 28% wool, and 10% silk. It's so soft, and I thought these might be nice, like summer socks. Wearing them in the house or whatever, or hardwood floors, you know? I don't have hardwood floors yet. Hopefully. Hopefully, well, not hardwood, laminate. This summer that happens, we'll see. Yeah. So that's one purchase. And then I was looking around the store. Oh, this color is my fave. It's showing up darker, like more of a red on camera, but it's actually like orangey. Anyways, it's Barocco Iris. 50% cotton, 32% bamboo, 10% merino, and 8% yak. Made in Italy. So cool. So I got 4 skeins to make a t-shirt. Be enough to make a tank top or a short sleeve tee. Oh, deadly. But yeah, it was really nice. Well, you could see I insert. You will have seen the videos of it. So yeah, it was really nice. And right next to it is the Verde juice bar, which is like a little vegan place, which worked out good because I need to take it eat. Like, I don't want all my meals to be heavy, you know? I felt like the need for salad. Had this lovely beet salad. Oh, it was so good. But I spilled it on me. I'm such a messy eater. So I had to change when I got back home. That's why. This is not what I was wearing today. I have an hour to relax and knit probably. And then I'm going to go upstairs for my massage. So nice. Looking forward to that. Alrighty. Well, that's all for today. I don't think I'll take you into the spa place. We'll see. Because if there's people there's like a waiting room. If there's people in the waiting room, no. But if it's empty, then yeah, I'll take a little video. And after this, I will show you the foyer because I have to take a video of that. So huge, beautiful. I am enjoying my little vacation. Yeah, I haven't really done anything like this by myself before, so that's a bit of a stretch. I mean, I travel all the time by myself, but it's just straight. I just go airplane, hotel, airplane, usually, right? Not sightseeing, not walking around, not trying to navigate on my own. So this is a bit of a stretch for me, but it's a little taste tester, you know, because next March break, I want to travel. I want to go somewhere. Good morning. It's Saturday morning. Yeah. My massage last night. Oh, so good. So good. Obviously you will have seen I did not bring my camera in, and I totally could have. I was the only one in the room. But I just wanted to relax without my phone. I left it in my locker and I just wanted to chill. Yeah, so you go in at like half an hour before, and they have this like relaxing room with like drinks and snacks. But I was already full from my lunch, so I didn't have any snacks. But yeah, I just read some magazines and chill. It was really, some of the artwork in that room might not have been YouTube friendly though. But it was nice. And yeah, the massage was amazing. She like did this like hot towel stuff, like massages your feet and then wraps them in a hot towel, and it was just so good. And then I ordered my sushi. I finally had my sushi for dinner afterwards, even though I felt weird calling Uber Eats to this. I don't know why. Anyways, it's the country bumpkin in me, I guess. Yeah, so I passed out early though. I passed out at 8:30 because I was tired, man. Teacher tired. It's creeping up on me. Whew. And yeah, kind of had not the greatest sleep, but I did have a good sleep overall. Yeah. So today I'm waiting to see my friend. I was supposed to meet my friend for brunch at a restaurant close by here, but she has a flat tire, so I am gonna see what's gonna happen there. So I might have to go find breakfast. Wasn't planning on that, but that's okay. I might go down to the Oval Room, see if they have something for breakfast. I don't want something too heavy though. All this rich food. And the train tomorrow is gonna be like, I'll get breakfast, lunch, dinner, breakfast. I'll have 5 meals on the train at least, so I'm gonna definitely need to eat like a lot of vegetables and fresh things when I get home next week, because it's good though. It's vacation. All right. I thought while I was here, I would give you an update on my pine berry because I have been working away on it. So it is done, except for the belt. Both sides are done. Yeah. And it is going to be cropped, right, to go with my dresses and stuff. And I have been slowly working away on the belt. This is a beast. I didn't realize. It's like a garter stitch belt. So I have to do 35 inches. This is only stretched out. This is only 15, I think. Let's see. I've got my little... stretched out. 16. 16 inches. So I have like another 16 inches to go. And then I attach it, cast off on my body, and then make another 35-inch belt on the other side. It's a beast, but I want it done. So I've been focused primarily on it. Although that sock yarn I bought yesterday's, I started those purple socks and now I don't want to finish them. I just want to rip them out, put them away, and start on those silk socks. But I don't know. Back in my room. I had a lovely time with my friend, and yeah, we went to, now I can't remember the name. What is it? Promenade Brasserie? Oh my gosh. I don't want to even say it. My French sucks. Anyways, it's like a Métis like influence restaurant, and I had eggs Benedict on bannock with smoked trout. I mean, it is National Indigenous Day today, so thought that was fitting. And yeah, it was delicious. It was just the right amount of food. I'm still full though. That was like 4 hours ago. I can't even think about supper. Wait, I was supposed to go to the restaurant tonight downstairs, but I canceled my reservation because I'm probably gonna order a smoothie or something. I can't even think of food. Alright, so this is a little video of the upstairs level of the Hotel Fort Garry. It's just like a little area that had couches and tables you could have for like meetings, and just thought it was really cool. Styled like it was back in the day, for the most part. Here we go, we got some tables and some couches, more tables, and then you go over here, you can see down into the foyer, which looks really nice. Yeah, it's just really cool. There's a little ballroom over there, which you'll see in a second. And yeah, just thought it was really neat. I loved all the old style furniture. Good morning. All right, so it is Sunday morning. I am tired. It's actually 11:30 now. I got a 12 o'clock checkout, which is nice. You had already seen more footage of the foyer, which is, yeah, they've got like this, sorry, excuse me. Like, I don't think there's any rooms on this level, but it was really cool. Just walking around, exploring a bit after breakfast. Oh, I had avocado on toast, but unfortunately the toast was burnt. So they were actually nice and gave me half off because I did eat part of it, so that was fair. Yeah. Did I mention I'm tired? I'm tired, but I'm gonna be heading out soon, and yeah, I'm meeting up with another teacher who her and her husband are staying here for a week, and they have an Airbnb, so they graciously offered to let me come keep my bags there because the train does not leave until 11:30 at night. Whew. So and I wear my bright dress today because I'm hoping that we're gonna go to the Leaf, which is like I don't know how to explain it. It's all inside, but it's all like biomes and all plants, and there's a butterfly conservatory. So yeah, hoping I'll get butterflies landing on me if I'm wearing bright flower dress. Yeah. Oh, I'm tired. That teacher fatigue is kicking in. But yeah, I will have. Just today will be a bit of a tiring day, and then tomorrow I'll just chill on the train. I don't think I have anybody else in my berth. So it'll just be me, which will be nice. But wait, if I want to sleep in, they don't need to break down my bed. Oh yeah, I'm tired. I'm so tired.
Are those bananas?
They do kind of look like it, don't they?
Tropical melon.
Starfruit. Oh yeah. Starfruit. There's no mosquitoes.
No mosquitoes.
Nope, they probably do get rid of them on purpose. And they don't really serve any real benefit to the plants anyway.
No. Yeah, what do they? They're just food for other animals, aren't they?
And
Look at how high these hibiscus trees are growing.
yeah.
It's crazy. Oh, so beautiful.
Bougainvillea? Look at that. There's a bougainvillea there. Yeah.
I wonder what this one is. This looks really nice.
Yeah. Some kind of palm or something, or what are they? I don't know. Yucca. Oh, something. Some kind of maybe.
Yeah. It's probably like at the bottom is like a big root.
Look at these. They're so pretty.
They're dainty.
Oh. Oh. Have I mentioned I'm in heaven here?
Yeah. Ah, wait. I think that's it. That's the plant yucca.
This it?
No, the spiky thing in the middle.
Oh, okay.
Because it looks like this one.
Oh, you're right. Peaked yucca. Oh my gosh. Does it smell? No, not really.
Fine leaf moth.
Oh, okay. So I'm at the train station, talking quietly because I feel weird. How do I do this? Anyways, yeah. My face is washed, my teeth is brushed. I'm wearing my pajamas that I'm gonna wear on the train because I am tired. It is 10:30. The train is supposed to be arriving soon, and then we board at midnight. Oof, tired. But it's all good. It's all good. I'm ready to go. Tired. Good morning. So, yeah, it's actually 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock now. We're now in Ontario, just past Sioux Lookout. I had a good sleep last night. We got in late. 12:30 we boarded, and then 1 o'clock the train finally left. And actually, yeah, I had a little trouble getting settled at first because, well, different situation, but the bed's actually pretty comfortable. And yeah, I felt like I was back on the bus. For people that don't know, I used to travel with my family and kind of felt like my dad was driving the bus in the middle of the night like he used to. Yeah, so went and had breakfast, and it's kind of different because they sit you like just with people, so get to meet new people, which was interesting. Anyways, lunch will be in like an hour, and yeah, it is so relaxing. I'm actually enjoying it. Right now there's nobody in my car, and so we're gonna find be quiet because I'm still not used to this whole thing in public. But yeah, and I'm working on my sweater. I am gonna be done maybe. We'll see. I'll check in later with you and see how far I get done. I have attached the first belt. I still have to knit the other belts, but I got a long day ahead of me, so. This is the dome. It was on the top of the train. You got to go up to like an upper level and just sit up there and enjoy the view. It was really fun. It was also like a hot spot, so you had to kind of find a time when there weren't people and mark your territory for a bit. But yeah, it was really neat. Trees for days though. Trees for days. Planes, trains, and automobiles. Finally off the train and with my sister. And yeah, the train was 3 hours late, so my poor sister had to like wait for me, and yeah, thankfully it all worked out.
There's a lane closure ahead.
I'm on my way to her house to spend time with my nephews. Yeah, the train trip was fun. I think I would do it again. It was fun. The last 3 hours sucked though because I just wanted to be here. But overall, it was a good experience. All right, I will see you in 2 weeks.